Hi, good morning children. Today I am going to teach you textbook grammar part of lesson 5. 1 minute. I am going to teach you textbook part of lesson 5. Everyone open page number 8787. Okay, first circle the correct meaning of the given word. That means meanings you have to correct. Idle away, that means wasted, wasted, admired. It is wasted. Circle wasted. Constant means coffee. Constant. Construct, study. What is the answer? Study. Circle, study. Next, realize. Realize means what? Realize. To understand, to set free, real. To understand. You have to circle to understand. What is the name of the lesson? It's Rip and Winkle. Lesson 5. Lesson 5 grammar part I am going to teach. Lesson 5 grammar part. Okay. Next. Descend. Descend. We already know ascending, descending. Ascending means going up. Descending means coming down. To move down. Barrel. A wooden container. A wooden container is the correct answer. Contents. Contents means what? Whatever it is in that, correct? What is that? To be happy? It is wrong answer. The ingredients. Ingredients is correct answer. Okay. Next, second one. Match the words in the box with their meanings. With their meanings. Here are some words. What is the correct meaning? We have to match. Match in the sense here they gave some blanks. In the blanks you have to write. Okay. Near the lower part of the mountain. Near the lower part of the mountain means Griselda, astonished, foothills, stroked or familiar. Foothills. Foothills is the correct answer. With grey hair. Grey hair means grizzled. Next, to rub gently. To rub gently, what is the answer? Stroked. S-T-R-O-K-E-D. Stroked. Next, to be very surprised. That means astonished. Astonished means to be very surprised. Known to you. Known to you means familiar. She is familiar to me. This is familiar to me. Understand? Okay. Familiar means already known to me. Next, true or false. Rip was kind to others, to the children also. Rip was kind to children. True, false? True. Second one, Rip was hard-working man. You see hard-working man? No, false. Second one is false. Open page number 88. The short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. Who is his constant companion? Dog, wolf, correct? But here they give short old man. Is he constant companion? No. False. Next. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. That's why he helped. No. False. Fifth one. Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. It is false. Next, the drink from the barrel made him fall asleep. It is correct. He drank a drink from the barrel, that's why he slept. Next, nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. It is true. Next, complete the following sentences. Rip's village was situated. Where is Rip's village? If you read the first paragraph, you will come to know. At the foothills of Catskill. What you have read in the blank? At the foothills of Catskill. Okay. Second blank. The children of the village loved him because he played with them. He likes to play with them. I told you, right? He likes to play with the children. That's why he likes to play with the children. You can write he played with them or he played with children. Next. Who is his constant companion? Dog. The dog named Wolf. What you would write? TH the, DOG dog, comma, NAMED named, WOLF wolf. The dog named Wolf. Okay. Next, fourth one. The villagers stared at him because no one knew him. No, O-N-E-1, K-N-E-W knew, H-I-M him. No one knew him. Next, the old woman who recognized Rip was at last, one old woman recognized Rip. Did you remember? Who is she? His old neighbor. H-I-S, his O-L-D, old neighbor. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R, neighbor. His old neighbor. Next, his old neighbor. Next one. Next, come down the last 88th page, last one. What were the strange things about the man on the mountain? He saw men on the mountain. What are the strange things? All were dressed in the same way. They all were dressed in the same way. T-H-E-Y-D. T-H-E-Y-D. A-L-L, all were dressed in same way. They all were dressed in the same way. T-H-E-Y-D, A-L-L, all, W-E-R-E word, dressed, D-R-E-S-S-E-D, dressed in same way or in the same way. Next, they had beard. Everyone has beard? They had beard of various shapes and colors. I don't want to waste my time by this. I will just tell. You can copy or afterwards you can try to write of your own. Okay. They had beard of various shapes and colors. Second point. Third point. They were serious even while playing the game. They were serious even while playing the game. Next, fourth point, they were very short-heighted. I don't know, they are this much only. They were very heighted. H-E-I-G-H-T, height, E-D, heighted. Next, what kind of man was Rip Van Winkle? This is very easy, na? We all know about Rip Van Winkle. What kind of a man he is? He was a kind neighbor, we know. He was a very lazy person, we know. He liked to play with the children, we know. And he was a good-natured fellow. He was a good-natured fellow. He was kind. He liked to play with the children. Only three. Okay. He was lazy fellow. You can write any point. And good-natured. He was good-natured. And he liked to play with the children. Very easy. Next, vocabulary building. Pick out the names of the games mentioned in the story. Here they have given some names, Sana. We have to pick out such names which we have seen in the story. Flying kites. Yes, it is there. Write down here. Flying kites. Next, chess. Not there. 9 pins game. Yes, it is there. Next, shooting marbles. There. Mountain climbing. No. Shooting. No. Skipping. No. Hopping. No. Only 3 things are there. Flying kites, shooting marbles, 9 pins. Spelling is already in the box. You can check. Okay, fine. Next, page number 89, last one, Nana. Mrs. Das had a dash job in a clothes. What job? Part-time job. High-heeled job we will not say, right? Part-time job. Yesterday, and dash woman walked. Old-looking woman. How is she? Old-looking woman. Next, page number 9090. Shoes. We already know about the shoes. High-heeled shoes. High-heeled. If you want spellings, you can see here. Here they have given all the words, but we have to put the correct answer in the correct blank. Understand? For the correct answer, you can listen my words, and for spelling, you can check here. Okay? Sweet-looking dog was with her. I want a long-sleeved shirt. These are sleeves. I have long sleeves. Long-sleeved shirt. She also wants long-sleeved shirt. For my dog, please, she said. For your dog, asked Mrs. Das, open-mouthed. Dog wants long sleeved shirt in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. I want him to be well dressed for my next party. Last one is well dressed. Well dressed. Okay. And next third one, silent letters. Here they have given some letters in pink color. Knee. We will not say knee. It is knee. K is silent. Knife we will not say. Knife we say. In the same manner, silent letters we have to write here. In the first one, what is the silent letter? K. In the second one, G. Neighbor we will say. We will not say neighbor. Honest. It is not honest. It is honest. H is silent in the third one. All honest. We will not say honest. Honest, honor, our, ire way. Like that. K, G, H. K, G, H. K is silent, G is silent, H is silent. We have tried out there, okay? Next, try and make more silent letters. Okay? G silent letters we have to make. What are G silent letters? S-I-G-N, sign. We will not say sign. We will say sign. Sign. Next, foreign. F-O-R-E-I-G-N. Foreign. Here G silent, here G silent. Okay? Next, tongue. Like that. U-E. Silent letters. Already tongue is given. Unique. U-N-I-Q-U-E. Unique. Next, antique. A-N-T-I-Q-U-E. Antique. Unique. Antique. U-E silent nana. Next, chalk. Chalk. Walk. Talk. Next, whistle. Chisel. C-H-I-S-T-L-E. Chisel. H-U-S-T-L-E. Hustle. Chisel. Hustle. Chisel spelling C-H-I-S-T-L-E. Chisel. Hustle. H-U-S-T-L-E. Hustle. First, G silent words, sign, foreign. U-E silent words, unique, antique. Chalk, L silent words, walk, talk. T silent words, not only these, Nana, you can write of your own also. Think of your own if you don't understand these. Chisel, C-H-I-S-T-L-E, H-U-S-T-L-E. Chisel, hustle. Okay. And next. Read two paragraphs given below. My mother is always awake before anyone else in the family. I usually wake up after 6 o'clock. This is all I know. Let's do the down one, okay? Opposite we have right. Awake opposite, asleep. Melkoni undadam opposite padukodame kada. Wake up, go to sleep. Wake up opposite, go to sleep. Get up, lie down. Get up opposite, lie down. Lazily opposite, quickly. Lazily opposite, quickly. Next. Open page number 9191. How many pages are there? Okay. 9191. Fill in the blanks using the words in the previous questions. Okay. Wake up and get up quickly. Wake up means kallu terravadam, melukuvadam. Get up means legavadam. Wake up and get up quickly. You will be late for school. Shh, the baby is asleep. Don't make sound or she will awake. Are you still awake? You should be asleep now. You will not be able to get up in the morning for school. First one is wake up, get up. B, A, wake up, get up. B, asleep, wake up. C, awake, asleep, get up. 3 blanks are there. Awake, asleep, get up. Shall I repeat? A. What is A answers? 2 blanks are there. Wake up, get up. B, asleep, wake up. C, awake, asleep, get up. You people all know the meanings of wake up, get up. Just now I told you. Asleep. Okay, correct? Next, down page number 91. Read the speech bubbles. Who walks to school most often? Put them in order. That means first comes always. Always ante eppudu. Eppudu. నెక్స్ట్ కమ్స్ యూజువల్లీ 2. నెక్స్ట్ కమ్స్ సమ్టైమ్స్. ఆల్వేస్, యూజువల్లీ, సమ్టైమ్స్, ఐ డోంట్, యూజువల్లీ, నెవర్. నెవర్ మీద అస్సలు ఆర్డర్లో పెట్టాలన్నమాట. ఆల్వేస్ ఫస్ట్ది ఎక్కడుంది? ఆల్వేస్ థర్డ్లో ఆల్వేస్ ఉంది. ఆర్డర్ ఏంటంటే 4, 5, 1, 3,